Hey team, so I know a couple of people were asking me about some tips on how to make the supports for the bottom underneath the side of my shoe. That way it fits the specification where our shoe is going to be a ½ inch off the ground. So I know I showed you in class, but I will show you here a couple of tips on how I did this. So what I recommend doing is taking your piece of paper, taking your ruler, and measuring a ½ inch from the top, or from the side of the paper at the top. And then I'm going to do the same thing at the bottom. And then what I'm going to do is use my ruler as a straight edge, and I'm going to take my pen or pencil and line it up so it's on the point, and line up my ruler to that. Then I'm going to find my mark at the bottom and do the exact same thing. Then I'm going to draw my straight line. So I have my straight line just like so. And then I'm going to use my ruler to act as a straight edge so I can fold it over just like this. And once I have it folded with the straight edge, I have my fold here. I can just crease it out really good and then just fold it over that way. Just keep folding it over on top of itself. This is going to add some rigidity to my paper. It's going to make it sturdier, and it's going to make sure that I have support underneath my shoe, so when I walk around it, it's not going to fall. Then once you have that piece of paper all lined up, what I can do is take a piece of tape, or you could even use hot glue for this, and seal it so it does not come apart. I just put a piece of tape here. I recommend like 3 pieces of tape, one in the middle, and then one on each end. Just like this. Now I took something that's flexible and made it rigid and can help build the bottom of our shoe. I recommend when you're doing this, I would take my hot glue gun, which I have right here. I would then, whatever design I have, I would trim or trace part of it and then put my paper over top of it, and then go section by section as we're going through. So I do recommend that you have your design in the middle, and then you have a little bit of a design around the outside. That way you can add some additional supports to it. Alright, if you have any other questions, feel free to send me an email, ask me in class, or come to Extra Help. Alright, see you later.